Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing a desk tour for you guys. So firstly, I will be showing you guys what is on the top shelf of my desk. I usually just store sticky notes and post-it tabs, stickers, washi tapes, anything like that kind of stuff. I'm kind of a post-it note hoarder. I don't really need all of this, but I have it, so that's why it's there. I got this little container from Daiso. It is meant to be for a CD storage thing, but I just used it for this. It works perfectly fine. These are just little BT21 note tabs that are from the BT21 collection. Also in this container, I have these stickers from cute little sticker shops. I usually get my stickers from Tamago & Co., The Coffee Monsters Co., and Once More with Love. I also just store any other stickers that I get from any other places like cafes or boba shops or anything like that. Moving on to the next item on my top shelf is this flashcard holder. I don't really use it, which is why it's full. And I just have these little photo cards from BTS. The next little thing I have is this pencil holder, and I don't really use any of these, but I don't care to throw them away because they're too cute, so I just keep them on the top shelf. Moving on to the second shelf are all of my pens and pencils and markers and things like that. I just have two rulers because I do use them a lot for my planner. In the first bin, I have all of the thick and thin Sharpies. I have many colors. I don't really use these that often, but I do have it just in case. In the second bin, I have highlighters, whiteboard markers, more Sharpies, and this multicolor pen that I used a lot when I was taking handwritten notes. In the third bin, I just have other Sharpies, highlighters, pens, and anything like that that I don't really use that often. In the fourth bin has all of my favorite pens and pencils that I use really often. I really like to use the Papermate mechanical pencils. I don't remember what it's called, but I'll link it down below. I also use the Pilot G2 pens and also the most common highlighters that I use. Moving on to the bottom shelf is my most common items. In this bin has all of my planner essentials. I have scissors, pencils, my Sakura Pigma Micron pens, the Pilot G2 pens that I use really often, Sharpies, Expo markers, and the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pens. I just have a set of washi tapes. I don't really use this that often, but I don't have any other place to put it, which is why it's there. They were a bit too thin for me, so I never really bothered to return it, but I still kept it just in case. In this little bin are my most used items. I got this cute little plastic storage bin at Daiso, and I forgot to mention that the white wired bins are also from Daiso or Target. I also have this writing block. It's not really sticky notes, but they're just pages that you can tear off in case you need to write a quick note or anything like that. Moving on to what's inside the bin, I have this sticky adhesive tape from Tombow, the Office Depot whiteout because I do like to write a lot of notes in pen, this cute little staple remover. I have push pins to hang up any notes or posters in my room. And this is my favorite eraser ever. I literally can't use anything else. It erases so well. I also have stapler refills and this random light that I have. I don't even know where I got it from, but I have it. You can see that I'm testing it out right now. I have this other eraser that I barely use anymore, this pencil sharpener that I also barely use, the silicone nibs for my Apple Pencil, some lead refills in size 0.5 and 0.7 for my mechanical pencils, and another eraser that I barely use as well. Moving on to the other side of my desk, I have some office supplies like a stapler, a whiteboard eraser, and this cute little mini stapler that I used to bring with me when I had in-person school. I don't really have a vanity, so I store my scrunchies in this bin that I got from Target, and also my makeup palettes on the right of it. On the top of my desk are my 2 essential planners that I use every day. I put them at the top just because I don't have drawers in my desk, so putting them at the top is actually really helpful and useful for me. Next to it is this clear bin that I have. I don't really know what it's called. Are they clothespins? I don't really want to say clothespins because I don't hang clothes, but I do use these to hang my little Polaroids. Here are just some decorations that I will be showing you guys that I display on the top of my desk. I'm a huge Supernatural fan, so I do have the infamous Impala as well as Dean and Sam plush dolls and a Tata headband. These are just some paintings that I painted that I like to display. My boyfriend got me this awesome Bob Ross collectible because I do like to paint. I also have this BT21 Tata plush doll from the BT21 collection. And here are some more paintings that I painted. And also this desk lamp, and I also have this little J Marvel plaque thing. Since I don't have desk drawers, I do have a side organization, which I will be showing you guys. It's just a bookshelf, but I use it as like some organization. On the top shelf, I have the Tata mouse pad, and under it I do have my iPad case with my iPad Pro inside of it. And under it, I just have the regular 13-inch MacBook Pro. On the side of it, I have this storage bin with a bunch of other essentials that I use. They have some Pilot G2 multicolor pens, as well as some tape, some more notebooks, and erasers and markers. To the right of it, I do display my Polaroids, the normal size and the wide. In the middle shelf, I have my printer as well as some storage for my planner. I keep my Tombow dual brush pens in here, as well as the Passion Planner sticker books. I also have this cute little mini office kit that I used to bring with me all the time at school. It comes with a mini stapler, mini tape, and some scissors. In here I do have some printer ink that I have too much of, so I just put them in there. And under it I do have this notebook that I barely use, which is why it's at the bottom, but I don't want to throw it out. I also have a monitor which I plug in my Fire Stick into just because I don't have a TV or a computer, so I just use this to play music or anything like that. I also have the Logitech speakers as well as an Amazon Alexa. And that is it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give a like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!